Good morning students. Last class explained reported speech statements. First model statements. Now I am going to explain here second model interrogative sentences. That is questions. That is here questions. Now children, here is what it is. This is reporting part. This is reporting part. That is here is subject, reported, verb and object. Reporting part. So here is beginning with the helping verb with the do you. Subject you. Speak English fluently. This is here is direct speech. Direct speech is always within quotes. Okay. So end with the question mark. So it is interrogative form. The statement is here is interrogative. So here. So what changes from first model to second model? In whereas said to became told in indirect speech when the statement is there. But here is question. So here said to became asked. Said to became asked. So here he asked me. He asked me. Okay, because it is question. So here reported verb said to became asked. So he asked me. So generally conjunction, the first model, that is assertive sentences, that we should use conjunction that. But it is interrogative sentence question, so we should use conjunction if or whether. If or whether. Okay children. So he said to became asked me. Here is means object. Then reported verb, and here is reported subject. Next, here is first you should change the subject. So don't go verb. First you means here second person. Second person. So here first person I should be changed to reporting verb of subject. Here is reporting verb to subject. But whereas here second person. Now here is second person. You should be changed to reporting verb of object. Second person should be changed to reporting verb of object. Okay children. So here object is me. So we should write here subject. So me became I. Me became I. So he asked me if I do speak. That is V1. Do V1 here. Do speak. So here is V1. So all I told you yesterday here do V1. Did V1. Did V1 means V2. It should be had plus V3 in indirect speech. But do V1 became here is V2. That is past simple. Do V1 here is do plus V1. Do speak. So if I here is spoke. Because here do V1. Do plus V1. Did plus V1, that is did plus V1 is equal to V2. Do became did. So did plus V1 is equal V2. This is the formula. Do V1, very simple. It became possible. Why? Because here reported verb is here object. Reported verb is here object. So he asked me if I spoke. Do V1 became V2, that is spoke. If I spoke English, here is if I spoke English fluently. Question mark. Here if conjunction here is there. I me. Here I because me object I. Here V1. Do V1 became V2. Here is speak. I spoke. If I spoke English fluently. For example, here is him is there. We have to write here subject he. Her is object is there. We should write here subject she. Okay, children. So this is a way of answering interrogative sentence. Next example, see that. Are you coming? Are you coming home home with me. With me. She asked. She asked. Okay, children, here look at. So this is the reported speech in there. Are you coming home with me? So here is asked. So it is question mode. So begin here. She asked. So conjunction if or whether. So here is I should write here whether. WHETHER. But some students wrote WEATHER. That is weather. Weather report is there. Anyway, atmosphere weather. So this is weather means if conjunction here. So she asked. So no change because already given asked. So here second became asked. So reported verb is directly given asked. So we should write asked reported verb as it is. So she asked whether. Here begin with here are. But here is first you have to take subject you. You means second person. Already I told you. But second person. So here is subject. Reported verb is asked. But here object is not there. But here in the very beginning the first sentence you is second person should be changed to object. Object mean we should write I. But here object is not there. Not given. So we have to think. We have to imagine object me. That means I. Okay, children. So here object is not given. Some there is a sentences we found no object, but imaginary object is there. That is me. That is I. So here she asked me whether if that is I. Okay, you became here I. It is imaginary object. But are coming. What tense, children? Are coming. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. So it should be changed into past continuous tense. Some student asked me, sir, why present continuous tense should be changed into past continuous tense? Simple. Here asked is what tense? Past tense. So here reported verb is past tense. So we should change present tense. All present tense should be past tense. So here are coming. Present condition should be changed into past condition. So she asked whether I was. Here is singular. First person singular. So she asked whether I was coming home. I was coming home with me. So children see, me means here is me. First person. So it should be changed to report verb of subject. First person report verb of subject. So me means here object. So what is subject here? She. She became her. So whether I was coming home. I was coming home with me means here her. Once I repeat, children. Are you coming home with me? She asked whether, if or whether. So again, I was, but here is not object. Object is not given, but there is no object. But here is, where is I? Here is imagine, me became I. So whether I was. Why should write was? I singular. This is present conditions. Are coming is present condition. So it should be changed into past conditions. So are coming became was coming. Whether I was coming home with me. Me means here first person. So here is me or I or my or myself. First person. It should be changed into report verb of subject. What is subject here? She. She became here her. So that she asked whether I was coming home with her. I was coming home with her. Next example, system. He said to me, what is the matter? For example, here. He said to me, what is the matter? So here children, in the very beginning questions is begin with the helping word, but here is a question word, that is a WH form. So here said to became, because it is a question, so said to became asked. So he asked me. He asked me. So here you need not write any conjunction if or whether, because direct speech begin with the question word. If direct speech begin with question word, you should not write any conjunction if or whether. So we should write the same question word as used as conjunction here. So what, no change, no need to write conjunction. Here what here it should be used as conjunction in the sentence. So what? So here is, but here is what. So here is asked is what tense? Past tense. So is present tense. So is became was. What was the matter? What was the matter? But some they wrote here is what the matter. Subject here is what the matter was. What the matter was. In this way, here is simple. No need to write conjunction. For example, how or which or why. Okay, next example, children, see that. The teacher here is there. Teacher said to him. Said to students here is there. For example, teacher said to students. So why didn't you finish this work? Okay, see children. Here is simple. It is also question word. So said to became asked. So here is teacher said to became asked. So here said to became asked. Teacher asked students. Teacher asked here students. So here is conjunction why. So it should be used as conjunction same. No need to write whether or if, why. So here didn't you. You means here second person. So second person is, here is changed object. Here is object. Subject, verb, object. So second person is you. So it should be changed into report verb of object. Students means plural. So why they? Why here they? Why they? Here didn't. Didn't means here past simple. So here is already told. Did plus V1 or didn't. So it should be changed into had plus V3. So that why they hadn't. Because not there. Why they hadn't. Finished V1 became V3. Finished. So why they hadn't finished. This means that word. So here look the children. Teacher said to students. Teacher asked students why no change. So here is did. Here you means second person. So it should be changed into they, because students means plurals. Oh, that is they. Why they didn't finish here, because did V1 became had plus V3. Past simple became past perfect in indirect speech. So why they subject had not finished. This is V3. Finished. This became the children. It is questions. So I think you have to be very careful to change each and every step. If at all you mistake, that is at least these are, you won't get any more. Children, మీరు ఒక్కసారి ప్రతి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ప్రతిదీ చేంజెస్ ని కేర్ఫుల్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. ఏదైనా ఒక సింపుల్ మిస్టేక్, స్మాల్ మిస్టేక్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దే కానీ హ్యాడ్ కానీ ఫినిష్ V3 కానీ వై కానీ ఏ ఒక చిన్న మిస్టేక్ అయినా యూ వోంట్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఎనీ మార్క్, బికాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గ్రామర్. 2 marks here the question. So by next class I will continue the same topic because it is a big topic for you. So by next class I will do some examples of this model and next imperative sentence. See children, do practice grammar at your home rigorously. That means seriously or severely because your examinations are coming soon. Thank you.